Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Toyota Yaris. So this is a petrol hybrid vehicle that comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof. It gets 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, there's cruise control and a lane departure warning. So let's have a look around. This car's got the automatic 1.5 litre petrol hybrid engine that gives you 99 horsepower. It's had one owner, done less than 21,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.